Hey guys, it's Vonshae, the marketing queen, and today I want to talk about 3 ways to make money online. The first way to make money online is you can start an affiliate marketing agency. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you get affiliated with other companies that will pay you to advertise for their products or services, such as Amazon. If you go to Amazon's website and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that they have an affiliate program. All you have to do to be approved for their program is to have an established website, and you can go online and apply, and then you have access to promote anything on Amazon's website. Now, the pros of this is, 1, Amazon pays between 1% and 10% commission, and 2, they're known all over the world. And people already know, like, and trust Amazon, so it's not hard at all to make a sale through Amazon because they're already known all over the globe. Another thing is, Amazon pays commissions off of every single thing that a person buys through your link in that 24-hour time frame. So for instance, if you send a person your link and you're promoting dishwashing liquid, for instance, they may click on your link if they don't buy the dishwashing liquid, but they end up buying hair products or buying furniture or buying tires or anything else on the website. You still get commissions for that as long as it's a 24-hour time frame within the time they click your link. That's the pros of Amazon. The con of Amazon is it only pays between 1 and 10% commissions. Now those fees do add up, but there are other programs out there that pay bigger commissions than Amazon. But to create multiple streams of income, you want Amazon as one of your sources of income because it's already proven and it works. The second way you can make money online is to start your own social media marketing agency. You can start your agency and you can advertise to business owners that need marketing services, web design services, graphic design services, any type of marketing online. You can position yourself to find small businesses, and if they need a website, you can build a website for them. You don't have to know how to build a website to make money building websites. We have software that has already pre-made templates available for you, and all you have to do when you sign up with our software is to find the pre-made templates that cater to your audience. Let's say you're targeting salons. Then you'll find a template that caters to salons, and you'll advertise to salons, hey, I can build a website for you. And when someone signs up with you, they may pay you $300 to $500 to do it, but all you have to do is show them the template and see if they like it. If they like it, the next thing you have to do is edit the site. Just go in, change the name that's already there to their salon name, change everything in there, and then make the pictures suit them. Have them send you in pictures, have them send you in the text that they want you to put, and you go in and design their website for them. But the website is already designed. All you're doing is using a template. That's how you make money online with your social media agency. So first thing first, you have to get established with the software and learn the software in and out. You have to learn what you have in your back office so that you can promote and tell business owners, hey, this is what I can do for you. Hey, this is how I can help you brand your business. And then everything that we have in the back, you can take these tools and use it and go out and get your business owners and have them pay you directly. The pros of having a social media marketing agency is you control everything. You control finding your clients. You control creating the website for them, and you get paid directly because you can send them a PayPal invoice and they'll pay you directly for your services because now you're providing a service. The cons for having a social media marketing agency is now you're trading time for dollars. So basically you have to fulfill the orders. You have to go in and actually build the websites, and you have to make sure that their website is up to par. So now you're trading time for dollars, and it's kind of like you have a job. But if you want to work for yourself, this is a great way to position yourself and make money on the side. The third way to make money online is to do referrals. Referrals of software particularly, because you can actually refer software to business owners and allow them to build their own website with the software. Now you're not trading time for dollars, but you're allowing them to be able to go in and use the software and pay a monthly fee, and you earn a commission every single month for them using the software that they need to grow their business. So now you can offer, as a business professional, you can offer do-it-yourself services or done-for-you services. Your do-it-yourself would be them just get the software from you and going in and plugging everything themselves, because they may be tech savvy and they may not need any help. But the done-for-you services is where you come in and you build the sites for them and you charge them an extra fee because you're putting in your time and you have them pay. So those are different ways that you can make money on the internet with our software program. Now, you can click on the link below and get started right now. Once you get inside the software, you'll be able to see everything that we have to offer. We have web builders, we have landing page creators, we have autoresponder forms, we have all types of things in the back office, and you'll be able to browse around and see what you have access to in the platform. So click the link below to get started today, or get back with the person that shows you this video and they'll help you get set up and started right away. Have a great one. Bye-bye.